Good morning, everyone. This is Misty here, and I am here to do my next video on earrings. This is day 2 of my earring series. I hope you all are having a wonderful day and a wonderful start to your new year. Today I am going to do something a little different. I'm going to be making some earrings with let me get myself together. These little filigree pieces here. These are so pretty. I had gotten these not this past Christmas, but the Christmas before from my sister. And I have been hoarding them because I wanted to make me something with them. I'm trying to concentrate and do this too. It's not working out. I probably should not do that, but you know how it is. Well, you know how I am. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut this open. These scissors bite. I need to sharpen them up. So, let me open these and then I'll show you what they look like. If I can get them open. While I'm doing this, if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. I hope you guys are enjoying this so far. At least I know I'm enjoying it. Okay. Come on, come out. There we go. Okay. So, these are beautiful pieces. They have bugles with them. I probably won't use the bugles. I'm not a bugle person. But anyway, look at them. That'll focus. Beautiful, beautiful pieces. It's kind of a filigree mesh kind of a thing. And I'm going to make some simple earrings. And you're going to need 3 of these, which is good because I only have 7. Alright, so you're going to need some of those. You're going to need some eye pins. All I have is head pins, so I'm going to have to make my eye pins with these head pins here, which won't take much to do. You're going to need some cutters. You're going to need some round nose and flat nose pliers. And you're going to need ear wires. I am using silver like I did the last time to do these. So let's get started. What I need to do is I need to cut the head off this so I can make a loop. And I'm going to take one end of my wire and I'm going to roll it into a circle, and then I'm going to go back here like this and I'm going to bend it back to break its back kind of, so it'll have a nice loop. So that, come on Misty, get with it. If you can see that, that's the way it looks. Then I'm going to add my filigree piece, and then I'm going to bend this over, and then I'm going to make another loop. Try to, without messing this up. So you get to see all of my mistakes while I'm making this, and I need to just get another wire. Okay, so that's the great thing about tutorials. You get to see all the mistakes too, and I don't mind showing you guys my mistakes. So I'm going to cut this off and make my loop again. Okay, thread on my bead, and then let's try it like this. I'm going to cut that off, and I think I got too much. Go tell your brother. There we go, and then I'm going to break its back and then close the loop. So that's what you have so far. And then I'm going to do that 6 more times, you guys. So I'll show you one more time. Just one moment, guys. Okay, now I'm back. The dude has been playing in the butter. Friends, the butter. Okay, now I can see I got my glasses on. Alright, and then thread your bead on. And then you're going to take and you're going to cut some of that wire off. I want to close this up a little bit more. There we go. And then again with this side, you're going to make your loop. Alright, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to pause this and I'm going to make my other little beads here, the wires, and then I'll come back and show you how to connect those together. So I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm on my last one. I thought I'd go ahead and come on while I'm finishing this up here, and then I'm going to show you guys how we're going to connect these. And you are going to need jump rings. I wasn't going to use jump rings, but I thought, no, I want to use jump rings. I want this to be flowy and all of that. So I've just got some 6mm jump rings. You can use whatever size you want to use, but this is what I had in my face, so that's what I'm going to use. So we got our pieces here. Let's go ahead and get our jump rings out. Okay. Now, take a jump ring, twist open, pick up two of your components and thread them up. Knock it off and then pick it back up and thread it on. Okay, and then you're going to close it. And then you're going to pick up another jump ring, thread it, and then thread your last one on, and then you're going to twist it closed. One more jump ring, twist it open, take both ends of your earring, and you're going to add it onto your jump ring, and then thread on your ear wire, and you're going to close that up. So this is what you have. A simple pair of earrings that are so pretty, you guys. I really like these. Now you can take a bead and hang it down the center if you want to. I don't know if I'm going to. I haven't gotten that far. I might go ahead and do something like that. I'll think about that as I'm putting these together. So you twist open, you add two components, twist it closed, grab another jump ring, twist it open, thread on your two pieces you've connected, and your third piece, jeez, and then you twist it closed. Go ahead and open your last one, thread on both ends of your component, and throw your jump ring on the floor. I got a little happy with this one. I need to fix it, which is easy to do. I say that, but then I'm kind of there we go. Better, better, better. Alright, now let's try this again. Twist open your jump ring. Thread on your components and your ear wire. For some reason there, that's better. And then twist it closed like that. So there is your earrings for the most part. Now I think these would look pretty with something dangling in the center. And let me see what I have. I know I have something that I can put in the center. I'm just not sure. Ooh, yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Is that going to work? Oh, perfect. Okay, I love these little cubic zirconia beads here. If that'll even zoom in, let me see if I can. There we go. So we're going to use those. So take a hairpin, thread your bead on. Let me fix this here. There we go. And then I'm going to trim off some of the wire. Make my loop. Perfect. Then I twisted my loop back open, and I'm going to thread it onto the jump ring here. Maybe, if I can get my fingers to work. Oh my goodness, Misty, come on. It's really not that hard. I just make it look hard. Now, my jump ring, I need to close up a little bit more because it's not closed completely. Oh, wow. Does that need to hang a little bit lower? I think it does. Okay, so let's open this back up. Take that ball back off because it's not hanging like I want it to. So I'm going to get a jump ring. And add that on because I want it to dangle, guys. I don't want it to be so close up to where there's no movement. So twist open your jump ring, take your little ball you got going on there, and then you're going to hook it onto your jump ring and close it up. I'm loving that. So cute. So cute. Yep. I know that's a lot of silver. You don't have to use all the silver that I used. You can use whatever colors you want. But I like the silver. And I love that crystal ball. That's what I call it, a crystal ball. It really isn't, but that's what I call it. So I'm going to clip that off, make my loop, pick my jump ring up, and add it onto my jump ring. And then I want to make sure that is closed. Just one moment, guys. Okay. So pretty. So pretty. I love the way these look. I do. I cannot wait to wear these. Something a little different. Let me fix the focus here. Those are so cool. They're different, but they're cool. Alright, so that is day 2. I love those. Alright, guys, I hope... Ooh, let me fix that. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am really enjoying making all of these earrings. And just think, I have 363 more pairs of earrings to make for this year, and I am excited about doing it. So thanks for joining me, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day, and as always, you will find all my links down below to everything. It's all down there. Check it all out. Alright, guys. Goodbye. God bless. And I'll see y'all again soon.